Hi guys, welcome to Bamboom Kitchen. Today we are making these chocolate chip cookies. This is the best and my favorite cookies of all time. I have been making this for many years. Crispy outside, chewy inside, full of delicious chocolate chip flavor, with a hint of crunch from walnuts. I know that you will love them, so let's get started. First off, cream the butter with the brown and granulated sugar. It's easy enough to make cookies by hand, but the important step is the process called creaming. Using your spatula, rubbing against the sides of the bowl to cream the butter and sugar together. This process lends structure to the cookie, so they will hold together and won't crumble apart. As soon as you see this creamy consistency, then you can add the eggs. Mix well. Then add in the sift flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Mix until just combined. Stir in the chocolate chips and toasted nuts. I'm using walnut here. Every bite is gonna have some cocoa chips and a little bit of that buttery walnut. Make sure that all chips and nuts will work into the cookie dough batter. It's time for scooping and dropping the cookies. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of dough. Quickly roll it in your hands into a ball shape. Then chill the cookies in the fridge for at least an hour. These are quite firmly now. Once chilled, you can actually pack the cookies and freeze them for baking later. If you want to bake it immediately, arrange the chilled cookie onto parchment-lined baking tray, leaving 3 inches between the cookies. Bake for about 15 to 18 minutes until brown around the edges. Smells buttery here. See the melted chocolate? How about dipping it into your coffee? I hope you're gonna like it. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!